I should reach the top of Mount Tai, then I do feel that all the other mountains are smaller than it in a single glance. Ruixing Group, whose predecessor dated from early 1970s as a small fertilizer plant, known as one of the 5 small industries, has been through 40 years of ups and downs, and nearly reached the edge of bankruptcy at one time. At present, Ruixing Group, under the leadership of Meng Guangyin, chairman of the board and known as the son of Mount Tai, is determined to reform and in only a few years has turned into a leading modern diversified group with a strong international influence. Roaming in the garden like Ruixing Group Company Limited, we will feel her legend and charm with heart. Covering an area of 2 square kilometers with the total assets of 5 billion yuan, the annual sales income over 5 billion yuan, and the annual taxes paid over 100 million yuan, Ruixing now has developed into a large-scale integrated group engaging in scientific research, production, and circulation. Illustrious titles such as National Key High-Tech Enterprise, Outstanding Enterprise over the 30 years of reform and opening up in Shandong Province, and the largest chemical enterprise group in Taiyuan City highlight the glorious achievements of Ruixing taking root in the land of Qilu and radiating all over China. Ruixing Group currently employs 3,000 workers with more than 1,500 college graduates or above, of which there are 500 with senior titles. The group consists of 9 branches and 5 subsidiaries. Therefore, a new Oriental Trust Capital Group has come into being. Adhering to scientific management and standardized operation, the production management system is comprised of the Safety Production Department and 5 production companies. The deployment center is responsible for the coordinated and high-efficient operation of the whole production system, and each branch has its own integrated management system. The production sites are strictly managed according to 6S standards, and all production devices adopt DCS, Distribution Control System. According to the principle of minimization, reuse, and resource utilization, we will strengthen the comprehensive utilization of resources, practice the full implementation of cleaner production, and ultimately take shape the growth pattern of low input, low consumption, high efficiency, and low emissions. We will strive to develop the circular economy and make our best to construct a resource-conserving, environment-friendly enterprise to realize the sustainable development. The gas company now has more than 60 sets of gas generators to produce the feed gas for synthesis ammonia, with the technical indicators such as the unit consumption and energy consumption reaching the leading domestic level in the industry. At present, Synthesis Ammonia Company 1, the largest ammonia plant in China, has the annual ammonia production capacity of 1.2 million tons, of which there are 200,000 tons of methanol and 30,000 tons of hexamine. Synthesis Ammonia Company 2, under construction, is a production unit adopting the advanced pulverized coal gasification technology to produce synthesis ammonia, with soft coal as the raw material, using homemade demonstration technology and equipment. The design capacity of the first phase is 300,000 tons of synthesis ammonia, and the company will be put into production in late 2011, with the economic and technical indicators reaching the advanced international level. In 2015, the production capacity of the company will reach 1,300,000 tons of synthesis ammonia, becoming the largest pulverized coal gasification synthesis ammonia production plant in China. Fertilizers are the dominant and superior products of Ruixing Group. The fertilizer company has 3 sets of water solution all-cycle urea production facilities, with the annual production capacity of 1.20 million tons of urea. The production plant, with the annual production capacity of 1.20 million tons of urea with carbon dioxide stripping method under construction, has the largest single plant capacity in China. In 2015, the annual urea output will reach 4 million tons, becoming the largest nitrogenous fertilizer production base in China and even in the world. Thermal Power Company bears the responsibility to supply electricity, gas, and water to all the subordinate units, to which Ruixing Group attaches great importance. It has 2 sets of 75-ton boilers and 3 sets of 260-ton boilers. The total installed capacity is 80,000 kilowatts, and the annual steam output is 100 million tons. With the continuous implementation of the power structure adjustment, it expands, and Ruixing Group will achieve self-supply of electricity and heat. Shandong Xiangray Pharmaceutical Company Limited is the production base of the biological chemical products. The main products are cornstarch, with the annual outputs 200,000 tons, orally taken glucose 10,000 tons, glucose for injection 40,000 tons, other byproducts such as protein powder, corn germ, corn bran, and stearic acid 10,000 tons, and glycerin 1,000 tons, all of which have passed the GMP certification and QS certification. It is in 2012 that the annual production capacity of 500,000 tons of starch and 100,000 tons of glucose, the industrial production of 1,3-propandiol, and the resource utilization of organic wastewater will be realized. Shandong Xinrier Chemical Equipment Company is qualified to manufacture BR1 class pressure vessels and to install GB1, GB2, GC1 pressure pipelines. It has the annual capacity to manufacture 5,000 tons of pressure vessels and 2,000 tons of pressure pipelines, and to undertake various businesses such as Category 1 and 2 pressure vessel manufacturing, public pipeline, and industrial pipeline installation and mechanical component finishing. Sales network spreads all over the world, and the manufacturers work together to seek common development and growth, and regional manager responsibility system is taking shape. International trade is the business focus of Ruixing Group, which enjoys self-support import and export rights. At present, the International Trade Company is responsible for the import of raw materials and the export of products. It is planned that in 2015, the foreign trade import and export volume will account for 50% of the total business. At the same time, it will carry out and expand international financial business and set regional managers in Asia, Europe, and the Americas respectively, to make the products and services of Ruixing spread all over the world. The logistics company is a functional and service-oriented company for Ruixing Group to realize the reasonable distribution of the raw materials and product resources to the terminals. It has 150 various vehicles, and the daily transportation capacity reaches 6,000 tons. With the construction of Jinzhongnan Railway and the recovery of Jinghong Grand Canal, Ruixing Group constructs 10 kilometers of railway and several ports, with the annual throughput of 100 million tons. After the run-through of railway and waterway in 2014, the 3-in-1 three-dimensional logistic pattern of landway, railway, and waterway will become the largest traffic hub for coal transportation from north to south in southwest Shandong and the largest bulk transfer center in China. Shandong Nongyuan Agricultural Materials Chain Company Limited is a chain supermarket enterprise focusing on the national level professional operation of agricultural resources and products in order to build the most powerful industrial chain to serve agriculture, farmers, and rural areas, and to continue to improve the quality of human life and the perfect sales channel, the market promotion, and the technical service system have been established. It mainly engages in the operation and chain distribution of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, agricultural equipment, daily necessities, and other agricultural means of production, providing services concerning cultivation, breeding technology, agricultural products, purchase transformation, etc. The tripartite cooperation mode of industry, commerce, banking will be created through establishing microcredit banks to provide financing facilities to farmers to make a real chain enterprise benefiting, favoring, and enriching farmers. Shandong Nongyuan Ecological Engineering Company Limited engages in the development and production of high-quality plant foods and nutrients and aims to become the 10 million ton level research and development and production base. It actively responds to the central government and makes the use of the rural land transfer to develop and construct high-quality agricultural tourism demonstration park. With the guidance of ecological principle, the combined application of the new high foreign and domestic agricultural technology and the center on the high-quality agricultural products and non-pollution production technology, the high-efficient modern continuous agricultural pattern, and the modern agricultural management information system, and so on. In the end, the demonstration park eventually covers an area of 500,000 mu, which is a modern national-level high-tech agricultural demonstration park involved in technology development, production, promotion, and sale. After years of talent reserve development, Ruixing Group has improved the technology innovation system. The pulverized coal gasification technology under construction fills up the blank of domestic technology, and biochemical field of the group undertakes 2 national 863 plan projects. And Ruixing Group has established the stable and long-term personnel and technology cooperation relationships with the Chinese Academy of Sciences, Tsinghua University, Beijing University of Chemical Technology, Nanjing University, and so on. The technical expert team covering the fields such as chemical industry, production, and marketing is the powerful support for Ruixing Group to achieve the technology innovation and rapid development. As the model enterprise for the implementation of labor contract system in Shandong Province and advanced unit of employee training in Tai'an City, Ruixing Group always believes that talent is the treasure of enterprise, the root of management, the source of profits, and the base of development. Therefore, Zhang Qingli, an old worker of the company and the current party secretary of Tibet Autonomous Region, spoke highly of the development of Ruixing Group.
叫铭记历史，珍惜现在，开创未来。瑞星精神发光芒，瑞星精神发扬光大，与瑞星精神永驻长青。
As to management, Ruixing Group always insists on the people-oriented principle and cherishes the core values of honesty, responsibility, learning, innovation, professionalism, and collaboration. Ruixing Group aims to create a development platform for its personnel to promote the growth of the personnel with the development of the enterprise. And each worker enjoys the warmth and love like sunshine in the vibrant and loving family. Ruixing Group provides the opportunities for all qualified workers to develop and to achieve common progress of individuals and enterprise. Accomplishments determine temperament and culture determines connotation. Locating in the leader of global market in the industry, Ruixing Group will definitely play an increasingly important role in the global technology innovation, economic growth, trade, and investment in the future. Under the influence of the corporate culture of being people-oriented, serving society, and pursuit of predominance, the new generation of Ruixing people will make continuous improvement, reform, and innovate. And with more powerful competitive advantages, Ruixing Group will go ahead and write a glorious chapter in the century.